Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore another scent from Ashgar Ali, and let's see what that scent is and how I actually got it. So I went to another city and I saw a shop of Ashgar Ali. You can see over here. So this is the packaging, and this is the box, or you can say the carry box, and this is the bottle. Let's open the bottle now and see what's inside. Nothing very fancy. So here we have it, Oud. It's called now Oud Exotic. Okay, so there's Arabic written over here, which says Oud, and let's zoom it a bit. So this is the package and this is the bottle. Anyhow, so a simple bottle, nice cap, not magnetic. Okay, so how this oud is actually going to smell. So let's test it out on one of this over here. Light citrus, very light citrus in the start. You cannot feel it much. A little bit of some florals, lavender kind of floral. Okay, so for me, I think it has been mixed, lavender has been mixed with amber. So it has a rounded kind of smell. It doesn't feel very floral. It is not very floral, maybe 10% or 15% or maximum 20%. It's mostly woody, ambery, and it has more of a kind of you can say dry, a little bit of dry. It is not that dry like this one. So you might have seen my review of Woody Intense. So this one is if I compare both of these, so this one is really dry. This is Woody Intense. It is also Ambery Oud kind of feel, majestic series from Arabian Oud. This one is from Ashgar Ali, and this one is actually Oud with a little bit of freshness. It is not that much dry like the other one I showed you. So let's sniff this again. This is really good. I personally think that if you are looking for a very affordable kind of ambery, a little bit of fresh, a little bit of dry, a little bit of wet, and oudi kind of western oudi kind of scent, because I don't think that it has any kind of oud in it. It is mostly woody, maybe sandalwood or cedar wood, with some florals like lavender. I really smell lavender here. And then we have lavender is kind of smell which you get from most of the powders, baby powders, and baby soaps or some things like that. So just to give you some idea, because I haven't smelled lavender extract but I got some samples from very good other from lavender musk from Rai Munir Sahib. So I really know how it actually smells. It is kind of sweet, ambery, rounded, very really well balanced kind of oud exotic. It is not pure oud, but it is a really nice scent. So if you want to if you don't want too dry kind of smell like this one, Woody Intense, you cannot use it in summer. It is purely for winter. This one, I think it is kind of in the middle. It is not very dry. It has some freshness to it, so you can pull this off in summers too, in other seasons too. So this is well-rounded perfume from Ashgar Ali. So this is my review about Oud Exotic from Ashgar Ali. I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's very hot because electricity is gone, so I cannot turn on my air conditioner. Anyhow, I hope that you know how much effort I have to put in to create these kind of videos. I will meet you soon in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye.